Ano ang mga basic requirements para maka-loan ng 300K or 300,000 sa micro multi-purpose loan at saan ito? Good question po, sir. Sige po, may answer tayo based po sa personal experience ko. Unang-una, friends, ang maka-avail nito ay dapat negosyante. Opo, may negosyo na kayo for 1 year. Kasi po, ang requirements ay ito po. Number one, business permit and DTI registration certificate. Yes, friends, kailangan may business permit ka for 1 year. And of course, DTI certificate or DTI name sa negosyo ninyo. Number two, valid government issued ID. So, kailangan may ID ka na government ID like PRC, driver's license, PhilHealth, pwede rin passport, Philippine passport, among others. Ayan. Number three, existing bank account. Yes, friends, kailangan may bank account ka like payroll account, ATM, passbook. Number four, picture of business signage and assets. Of course, yung negosyo po ninyo, kailangan may business signage ka. Of course, kung laundry business ka, kailangan mayroon kang pangalan sa laundry po ninyo. And may business signage ka. Right? So yan, picturean mo yan. And yung asset po ninyo, ano ba yung mga gamit sa business ninyo? Furnitures and fixtures, computer ba, tables and chairs, lahat ng mga gamit sa loob ng negosyo mo, picturean mo yan. And number five, register and apply online. Yes, friends, i-apply mo yan online. Meron silang link. Yan, https brs.sbcorporation.ph. Anong ibig sabihin ng SB Corporation? Small Business Corporation. Ayan. Requirements from 1 to 4. Picture po yan. Picturean ninyo. Then, isubmit nyo po sa link na yan. Alright? So, ang pagkaalam ko, more or less 1 month ang processing. Honestly, friends, nag-apply din ako ngayon. On process na po. So, 300,000 yung gi-apply ko na loan. Yes, friends, on process na po yung loan ko. Hopefully, ma-approve para maka-start na ako sa plano ko na new business, sports bar. Yes, friends, yung may video okay, merong billiard, merong inuman konti, and darts, and chess. Ayan. Alright, so good luck, friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.